That's nice. I'm just talking to myself. Alright, so now this is a video about how to be raw vegan anywhere, ever, anytime, any place, okay? So what you want to do is you want to always purchase pre-cut fruit for road trips, okay? You don't want to make a big mess, you don't want to dirty your friend's car or whatever. So you want to get pre-cut fruit, very simple, it's available everywhere. No, this is not organic because you can't always have organic, okay? But we try. Amazing. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful picture. The other thing you want to do is get fruit that's easy. So grapes, easiest thing ever on a road trip. Not so easy.
Apples are easier.
I hate apples. Not so easy are mangoes, but I can't live without mangoes. This one got squished, so that sucks. Melon's really easy too. You just need a knife and a spoon, and I have a watermelon in the car. Okay, so this should last me today and tomorrow. I don't have a fridge though, so that's an issue. But I think what I'm gonna do is, okay, improvising. We have a fan. I'm just gonna leave the fan on in front of the fruit. That's gonna cool. That's gonna cool the fruit. Look at all this food! What a beautiful vegan salad! Oh my god, it smells so good.
All of this is vegan except that.
Oh my god, it smells so good. They have spices. Dude, how much amazing spices, look, and they have almond butter down there. Look at that.
The massage, it seemed really fucking long. I was like, oh my god, does she?
Oh my god, mine was so short.
Like, does she think I'm doing 50 minutes
Dude!
for each treatment? Because I felt like it never ended.
Oh my god. I know, I see.
Oh my god.
Wait, how do you get their attention? Do you like fruit?
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he loves it. So there's a fruit festival every year. I was wondering if you want to be on my team next year because you seem pretty fruity and amazing. Right? It's like from the movie The Flintstones or something. just for YouTube. I have such a crazy life. Ooh, the rocks are beautiful. We're going to waterfall. Ah! Hopefully. Do we know how long the hike is? Oh, are you serious? We almost missed out on this because of our fucking pride. Yo! I'm so excited right now. Alright guys, this melon, that log. Wait, you can't post me. I have to see it. Let's just do it later. Okay, that's good. I just always have to see it first. Okay, tell me what you want to do first. Eat or go in the fucking water. Okay, perfect. Oh my god, it's seeded. You don't think that's amazing? You don't care about that, Sienna? Whoa. Nice knees. We did that, and it's so good for us. Cold water is good for your abs, Mike says, because it makes you like you tighten up your abs when you're cold. Can I take a picture of you here? Regular, and they're all ripe, by the way. And then I have white. I have white peaches.
White what's
Yeah, let me see you. Let me see you take them out, put them on the shelf. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Put them on the shelf, just like that. Just like that.
And they're ripe, I can feel it.
Oh yeah. Oh, you're with a professional. You're with the, do you know who I am?
I don't know who you are. Can you please help us and let us know who you are? And this is fruit.
Gorgeous.
Fruit. At the bottom.
Oh, these have to ripen though. So these are the donut peaches. There's not a lot of room.
Is this green onion?
There's not a lot of room.
Celery, yeah?
Yeah. Ooh, this is gorgeous.
What is that?
Okay, just having a quick little snack. Okay.
Did you bring your speaker or no?
Of course. Why wouldn't I?
I know.
What is wrong with you? Wait, you need a knife?
Wait, should we light this candle? I like the purples.
You can do whatever.
When we set up for real. There's like a whole, you know?
Dude, I mean like, luxury. Yo, you put on 42 hertz?
Where's my restaurant?
That's a plate. Wait, can I show my plate and your plate?
No, I'm not done.
Ugh.
I'm not.
Yo, this is like a $20 salad. And I thank you so much for watching. This lighting's not good. Let me go outside because Sienna's naked. I thank you. Ooh, that's too bright. I thank you so much for watching, and till next time, stay raw. It's the law. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye. Look at how beautiful this is. It's a beautiful cottage, little retreat center, upstate New York. So grateful, so blessed. Fruit goals right motherfucking there.